Mm, Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Nobaridani. So today, uh, I got my last assignment. I don't think it's assignment, but it's like talking about my opinion about this group. My group in English UPB, Group 24, guided by Mr. Fitra. Mr. Fitra. So you are asking us about asking me what are the three most valuable three things you learn this semester and how will they help you in the future. About this UPB, I think I learned so much things in from this UPB. You know, uh, yeah, actually, before I was before but in the past before I don't have really much skill in talking or yapping yapping in English specifically. I just like I have a passive skill in my English. So I just only can read, but can speak fluently and yeah, like just I just can speak so confidently. So after I was in your guidance, it's like I got a new experience, and some of them, the the top three and the most valuable things that I've learned this semester from you, like about confidence, yeah, like talking in the front of people, like telling my story. I like that kind of thing. Like, actually, at the first time, I was really nervous, but that nervous eventually began to vanish, and I turned out to be liking this kind of thing. Yeah, I can yap and tell any other to other person what I do, what in English. And that's really new experience. Not every group in English UPB had that kind of assignment. So one of them is confident in speaking in front of people, and the second one, and the second, I think I learned to, uh, yeah, like asking people when in the class about their story or make an opinion about their story or what, and my yeah, that's testing my listening skill. Even though my listening skill isn't really good, but I think it's yeah, I think it's a little bit improved by listening to each other story. And next thing, the assignment, yeah. It's really valuable. Your assignment about the Google site, my opinion, my voice note, and the any other else, it's give me a kind of new experience, a new, yeah, new challenge. So that's like, hey, it's making me, it's making me like, oh, I think with this assignment I can be more and more confident with my English. So that's the three, the third, the third valuable things. The my confidence, my listening, confident in speaking and listening, and the skill of making online assignment like the video, the Google site, and much other else from you. So that's really helping me. Yeah, with how and how will they help? They help me, really helping actually. In the college, really helping. Like I already did make a Google site. So in my philosophy, in the class, the lecturer actually asked me to make Google site too. So I already knew how to make Google site, and the confidence is like, I can more speaking English fluently in the front of others and with more confidence. Even though it's not really good and listening, I learn to listen to other story. Yeah, even though my listening skill isn't really good, so that's really helping me. Will help me in the future. And the second, which assignment or project challenged you the most, and what did you learn from completing it? I think the most challenging, it's either Google Site assignment or the video assignment. Yep, I think it's Google Site. Like more, I got into more the Google site, so it's really challenging, and like ah, I really don't really know how to use technology. No, I just got my laptop recently, so my computer skill isn't really good. But with help of my friends from Najib, yeah, he actually he's my cousin. Um, he make me like teaching me how to use it. I said that's really good. It's really challenging me. I like challenge it to make site. I don't even know like before. I can make a site in make a site in Google. Like that's a new thing. I just learned this not long time ago. So it's only from this assignment I got this. So that's really challenging me. Actually, the video. Even I don't think video is really challenging me, but it's also although it's really good. No, challenging me. Yeah, I can. I don't really understand how to make edit, so I just like uh, taking my video. So my video assignment sometimes isn't really edited because I just too slow to understand. Yeah, yes, that's it. Um, from completing the Google Set assignment, I learned how to use more of technology, and yeah, like I can learn to write how to write a blog spot, like telling what you like, what the things I can tell to you, especially I can tell about myself. So that's really good thing. To I suppose. So that's it. And the third, how was my confidence or ability in using English changed during this semester? Give specific example. Oh yeah. So my confidence or ability in using English really do change a lot. You know, mm, before I don't really know how to. I don't really know how to speak in front of other. I just can. I'm just too nervous. Because yeah, I kind of introvert. I think yeah, that's really true. But with this assignment, I learned how to be act more confident, not be nervous. So that's really a good one. Yeah. So this semester is really changed me a lot, especially in English. Even though before I enter this college, entering the college, I thought my English is really good, but I just realized it that there's someone who is even more good than me, even though they didn't take English education major, but their English is really good than us from the English education department. So right, I really challenge it, and my ability, yeah, that's it. My ability of speaking, or the nowadays people call it yapping. Hey, I just can yap, telling sometimes just telling nonsense, or just putting any unimportant things. uh so yeah, my confidence is really grown a lot from before I enter this college, enter the UPAB group guided by Mr. Fitra. So your guidance is really good, sir. I really appreciate that. I respect you a lot. And the fourth question: what teaching methods, activities, or materials were the most effective for your learning, and why? Ah, I think the teaching method that really sweet me a lot are yeah, like what Mr. Fitra did in the class. It's nah, I think uh, student centered education, student centered method. So and every student has a chance to show up in the no how do you call it has a chance to show up in front of each other, or yeah, like it's like a kind of stage. So like making stories, making a drama with like making story with other friend author, and do it in the front of the other while the other is watching. That's really making our brains working more and more, and that's really challenging, so that's really good. I love that kind of assignment. And activities or materials were the most effective. Yeah, I think when the teacher use visual material like video, audio, or photo, that's like really stimulate my brain to think more and more. Like I just don't imagine it myself, but when I see the pic, oh, so that's what is it supposed to mean? Or yeah, when the teacher like telling something and then saw the picture, like oh, so sometimes my imagination about that thing in the first, oh, I was wrong, so the right one is that. So that's really good, and like stimulate the student thinking for yeah, for my learning. That's really good. Like, the student can like give a response and correcting the student, so that like student centered, you know uh, how to say it, I think there's a name for that kind of method, like materialism. I don't think that's name. Yeah, but the point is but like the student must be the center, and the teacher just the bit of provider, providing the place, providing the quest for student to do. That's really good. I like that kind of the kind of teacher, even though they don't really yeah, the other teacher just yapping, yap, and not yapping, just like talking blah 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 and this and that, and the student don't really understand what does that mean. So that I just like the when the student making the class alive. So that's the point. mm, Not only the teacher who is talking, but everyone have their change, their time to talk. But when the others talk, um the good thing, like the best thing you supposed to do, like give making the others like keep silence, listening to them. So it's like it, it's like um, giving that person a highlight and don't ignore them. That's respecting them, yeah. If you show respect to them, they will show respect to you too. Like listening to your story too. So that's it. And that last it. Oh yeah, there's a last question. If I could redesign this course for next semester, what improvement or change would you suggest? I think the good one is I don't really need to redesign this course, but the point is, I think the Google Set assignment just should be exist. Don't remove it. That's really important. Like, hey, making Google website, isn't that good? Like, for even though not everyone had a computer or laptop to make it, yeah, they still can borrow and make some. That's really challenging how to us to use technology, because nowadays everything is using technology and we must adapt. And if I the thing I want to redesign, I think is the video assignment. Maybe if you want to give the assignment video, you can give it in the last, or even, or if you want to keep it, you just need to give like, yeah, the light quest, not really hard quest. I think, yeah, I don't think need to redesign the phonetic and topic thing in the story is really good already. Like, stimulating our brain. What improvement? I think the student, like, yeah, it's really good as it is. I don't think it's need to be redesigned. Maybe, what is it? Yeah, I think it's already good. You know what? I need to redesign. Maybe give the shorted assignment, more short assignment, like, yeah, not, maybe in a half month you just give one assignment, like specific assignment, not really much, because everyone had their assignment too from the other major and their own major, not in the UPB. So that's really wasting, like, giving there so much assignment, like it's really hard. So yeah, just keep it more less, or keep as it is. So that's it. I think that's all the question. Ah, that's really good. I like this kind of assignment. I hope we will meet later in the future or in the next semester. I hope. Yeah. So see you for everyone who watching this. I love you all.